Hi, good evening. This is Scott. That's Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Wingstop. This is ticker WING. Now, Wingstop does have earnings this month, but it's not coming up until the 22nd of February. And so I still think there's some potential meat on the bone in terms of this move that is happening with the stock. If I zoom in here a little bit, you can see how we had this little bit of a breakdown under all these moving averages here. Quite a pullback, 22% to the lows, but then the buyers stepped back in, gave you a daily higher low compared to this low here, and then it was off to the races and back to the highs. And this is a pretty key zone at around this 166 level. If I zoom out here a little bit, you can see how important this level is. Look at this right here, right back to the highs from 2021. So definitely a level where we could see some consolidation, but for a move higher, I think we want to watch for a strong push through that 169 level right around there. And so I think it makes sense to set an alert on your software just under 169, and then you'll want to watch for a strong move coming through on higher than average volume. Now, of course, this move would have to come before earnings because, personally, I don't like to hold stocks over earnings unless I have a really good cushion. So if it breaks out sooner, you build that cushion into earnings, and then, maybe you have a decision to make just before they announce. But this is just one of many setups that we're looking at right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. You should definitely check out what we're up to. Click the link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.